Well, it is within the powers of the president to use executive powers in a democracy. But mostly executive powers, you use it when there are no clear-cut provisions of the law on how to go about a thing, or when there is urgency and you cannot wait for 1 or 2 days to pass, and so you make an executive power to take care of that urgency. So it is within the powers of the president to do that. But when you look at the local government autonomy situation, there is no emergency because the Supreme Court of this country had ruled clearly that money should be paid directly to the local government areas in the country, 774 local government areas. And that is the decision of the highest court in the land. If Nigeria were to obey the rule of law the way other countries obey, that would have been implemented immediately. So the issue of the president now coming to threaten them, to say that he's going to issue executive order, would not have even come up because the judgments of the Supreme Court would have been implemented immediately. In any country of the world where democracy thrives, judgments of courts of law are not delayed in implementation, let alone the judgments of the Supreme Court of the country. So now, I feel that the president had over-pampered the governors. I feel that the presidency was even in breach of the judgment of the Supreme Court, which said pay money directly to the local government councils. Now, after that judgment, the Accountant General of the Federation kept paying money to the state governors. The presidency kept approving the payment of money to the state governors for them to hold and then transmit to the local government areas in the country. That, for me, was in breach of the judgment of the Supreme Court.